Alright, just very quickly for anyone facing the same issue as me, when pressing play to start my game, it wouldn't open. The problem was that the game was conflicting with my recording software. After I closed my recording software, mirrorless action, and tried starting the game again, it worked. If I tried to open the recording software while in-game, the game would crash. If your game has the same issue, I'd recommend trying the game without your recording software and trying again with a different type of recording software. The game works with NVIDIA, which is what I'm using now, but it's a real bummer that I can't use mirrorless as it's a paid-for program. Anyway, hope this helped.